Hello friends, welcome back to the Tiny Track Racers. Here we have the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, the devil of the roads. You can see the detailing of the packing from Majorette. We have one card and the car in the box. So let's unbox this stunning grey Ford Mustang Dark Horse and see what's inside and how's the quality of the car. So you can see the packaging. It cost me around 550 rupees. We will open it up and see what's inside and what are the details they have mentioned in the card. So let's open it. Okay, here you can see the details. It's a 8-cylinder car. The engine capacity is engine size is 500 centimeter cube. Oh my god! And the 500 horsepower it's generating. Stop speed is 267 kilometer per hour, and 0 to 100 it will go in 4.5 second. Its curb weight is 1790 gram. Oh, it's a massive. It's a monster. We can see. Look at the detailing. Look at the packaging. It has the opening doors and the inbuilt shockers. So let's take it out from the cover and see. The packaging was also good. We will take it off. Look at the tires. Oh, the front grille, the headlight. Oh, even the bumper is also so stunning. Did you see the logo? The front. Inside also they have mentioned the logo. Here in the front, the horse. It's very stunning. And I'm not sure how clear it is in the camera, but in live I can say it's a very awesome detailed car. It has the shockers inbuilt and the quality of the car is very much good. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share.